All right, welcome to Proof Bread in Tempe, aka the ice cream shop that used to be here because we just got the keys this week. You might think I'm crazy that we're opening up another location, and yet if you look at our business and what we've been doing, we are right on track. Proof has grown 65x since 2017 when we took over, and that seems like a lot. It is a lot, and yet as a bakery, we're a really thin margin business, so we're trying to hit a certain level, roughly double of where we are today, in order to reach solid footing, not only for us, but for our team, for our future. We have a lot of mentors in the community, other bakeries that have gone down a similar path as a retail bakery. Keep in mind, we don't do restaurants and wholesale baking, so our way to our customers is through having places that we can sell. We start at the farmers markets, of course, on Saturday mornings, serving 2,000-3,000 people on a Saturday out in the community. And when we built our first location downtown Mesa, we had this imbalance of Saturdays being 30 times our Monday. So ever since then, we've been on this journey of sort of balancing the week because we have the infrastructure to do what we do for Saturdays. And so why keep the trucks idle? Why keep the mixers empty? Why keep our rooms for shaping and bread production underutilized? Our storefronts allow us to get into the future in a way that's safe, that lets us survive the summertime slump a little bit easier. And so here we are. We're building 2 more locations, and I actually need your help. This fall, we're doing something really special. This is a community-supported business through and through, and our community is amazing. It's not only a local community, it has unexpectedly become a global community. We've learned of at least 500 bakeries that have started watching this YouTube channel around the world. If you're one of them, drop a comment. Always love hearing that from people that you watched us on YouTube and you took a plunge and started a cottage bakery. We also, have a growing audience of people around the country that's buying flour from us since we're a flour mill. So we thought we're just, a small garage bakery hand mixing our bread, and here we are a few years later, really connecting with people all over the world, and it's humbling. So this fall, in order to help pay for what we need to do in this location, you see it's an ice cream shop. It doesn't look much like a Proof Bread location right now, but it kind of has the right bones. And also, even moreover, what we're doing in Gilbert. These 2 locations will give us a platform that we can refine into for years to come. We can stop building and start refining, which we're thrilled to get to that point. This building has been, a lot over the last few years. So in order to do it, we're asking for some support from the community in the form of a gift card investment. So gift cards have worked out really well for us in terms of being able to raise some cash. Building these locations is expensive, especially with kind of the finishing that we wish to do with them and the space we wish to carve out. So here's what we're doing. If you invest $500 into our locations via gift card, we will give you a $550 gift card. $1,000 will be $1,200. So 10% bonus for the 500 tier. If you give us $1,000, you'll get a $1,200 gift card. 1,500 jumps to 30%, so you'll get a $1,950 gift card. And 2,000 will give you a $2,800 gift card. They will be available to use right away at any of our locations. If you choose a Proof Bread proper gift card, there's 2 options. Proof Bread allows you to get into our locations here in Tempe when we open. The pop-ups we're going to be doing outside in a week. Downtown Phoenix, Shea, Litchfield Park, Mesa, or any of the farmers markets. Proof Flour Mill is our online store, and so you can participate in this offering, around the country. It is limited to the U.S. You can order flour to be shipped to your home. You can also order a couple of the larger loaves that we're shipping around the country weekly. So same offer. You can also do a third thing, and that's split the two in half. So you can get half for Proof Bread, half for Proof Flour Mill. That works especially well for some of our snowbird clients that are here in the winter months and then leave somewhere else for the summer but still want to buy, great bread. This is a great way for you as our community to help us round out these locations. And we're launching it right now. So if you're interested, we'll drop a link in the description to a form you can fill out, and one of our team members will reach out to configure a card, send it to you virtually, and you can start using it right away. We'll in turn be able to use those funds to finish this space so that it's ready for customers, and also get some of the most important equipment for our Gilbert location. We're not trying to grow forever. We're trying to grow into a nice, stable footing where our summer times are at a level that we can support ourselves without going deep into debt every summer during the slow season, where our teams, can be with us and grow with us and have stable careers without the need to sort of lay people off for part of the year, that kind of thing. So we know where we're going, and we've made it quite a bit of the way there. This is a bit of a final push, and you guys can help us see this through right now. So in doing this, you're going to help us transform this location into a proper bakery cafe with some nice seating for customers, a beautiful pastry case, front counter, and some of the back kitchen area that we'll be putting together. That back kitchen here in Tempe is going to become our food service hub, meaning we're going to be able to build in new offerings like a sandwich program in the future, as well as new prepared foods. Think grab-and-go salads or compound butters, things of that nature that you'll be able to enjoy at all of our locations. Now, the other big project we have going on is our Gilbert location. It's probably in one of the single best corners in town for building a bakehouse. We have a lot of customers in the area already. And for that location, we have a lot of our equipment, but we're still missing some. We need to buy a new rack oven. We need to buy the walk-in cooler. We have a lot of big expenses, millwork always being a big one. The landlord there is helping us out with a generous tenant improvement package, although that's only going to get us part of the way. So what we're doing right now is helping kick things into gear so that we can make some of the bigger purchases that have longer lead times before we open these locations. So thanks in advance for helping us out in this way. We've only made it to this point because of the community that we have, and I think with your help we can round out what we're doing right now over the next 6 months and become the full, built-out, mature bakery that we're trying to become, so that Proof is something that lasts generations, not just fly-by the night type operation that is here today and gone tomorrow. We're trying to build a legacy here in the Valley, connecting to our local food movement, offering better bread for the people of this city. Thank you for your help.